a curl in it. I think so. I think we're gonna have bridge A. Okay, now I get it to see. All right, I got that one to see. Whew, man, it's a rougher on the shoulder. Hello.
What, Boo?
There you go. All right.
What, Booty? They're gonna be your friend.
Right.
They will.
Let's do one more. Push
Just
one
don't
more.
let him scare you.
One more time on this one.
Don't let him scare you.
Okay. Okay, let's check. Oh, main power. Okay. Alright. Main power cable.
You fixing it?
Yep. Almost done. Oh.
Atticus is a punk.
Yeah.
Poe's standing there staring at Pooh,
Uh-huh.
staring him down.
Okay.
He's got his ears forward.
Okay.
He's not snorting, he's not grunting, he's not doing anything, he's just staring at him.
Oh.
So I'm watching the two of them. Atticus comes up behind Poe, headbutts him in the ass.
Head-butted Pooh?
No.
Oh.
Poe.
Oh, Poe head-butted who?
Atticus came up behind Poe and headbutted Poe in the ass.
Oh, did he?
And Atticus and Poe and Pooh are standing staring at each other.
Okay.
So when he headbutted him,
He wasn't paying attention.
he stumbled forward.
Oh. On the...
Not onto Pooh. He quickly sidestepped.
Yeah.
Yeah. Atticus did that a couple times.
Huh.
Would headbutt Poe when Poe was staring down one of the dogs.
Right.
But even if he goes to lunge at him or act like he's going to headbutt him, he doesn't make contact.
No.
Poe tried to lunge at Pooh twice,
Oh, yeah?
and he did not make contact.
Oh.
He gets about 6 inches from him.
Why can't I turn the wire?
But Atticus is a whole lot less bothered than Poe is.
Oh. What did I do? Close up the frickin'...
But, as you saw, for animal crackers, he'll get right next to him.
Yeah, I see that.
So he's not that afraid of him.
Not anymore, yeah.
He can't be if he's willing to come near him for an animal cracker.
Okay, close one. I squeezed that too far on that. I can't turn the wire to line it up with the...
They're all closed in for the night.
Fingers slipping, okay.
And I got them dosed for their medicine.
Oh, good, okay.
out, they decided they'd eat it.
God, I can't.
But this is like the second time they've been out today, so
Okay, good.
they're in for the night.
Yeah. Come on, let's get on there.
I'm gonna go upstairs.
Okay, babe. I'll let you know when it's done. Hey! What the heck? Messing around with these actors again. What the heck was that? What was that? I'm back. That's done. Next, let's get this fuel filter on here. Let's see what's going. Okay, this is the OEM one, and you can push that up on there, and it'll lock. Well, got to take your cap off. Let's see. Wait a minute. Okay, put your cap off. Make sure you got nothing in the way. This will go on top. It'll go right on there, and then it'll push right on that, and then they give you a little locking ring, but this sits on the bottom of the tank, so it's not going anywhere. And there it is, a little star lock. Now I couldn't get that sucker to lock on there. It's so small, I couldn't get it to stay on there. You gotta have a This has actually it came with those, but I think it's on there enough to. The other one didn't have it on there. That would go on there and squeeze. These didn't have that. And you have the option of doing that if you want. Same size, and then you can squeeze it on it. I didn't see that when I grabbed it, but I don't think I'm gonna have that issue. Give me two of them, and I'll give you one. You can't get up in there and get on that top one anyway. You got this crazy little star lock for the filter. So it's going to be up to you whether you want to put it on here or not. To keep that from falling off. But again, it's not going to fall off because it's sitting on the bottom of the tank. So, okay, so there we are. We have our fuel, new fuel line, and the new fuel pump. Now let's go ahead and get this installed, and then we'll check our fuel pressure. to make sure we were running at 45 psi at least. Okay. Make sure, double check your connectors for your fuel pump. Now, if you don't have 45 psi, then either the pump is bad or where'd my ring go? The steel ring's missing. Doggone. Or the regulator is bad. That regulator should keep it at 40, 45 or more psi. My battery's getting ready to go dead on this. So let's get this lined up. The holes. First one. All right. Next hole. Your seal gets in the way. It won't let you drop it down. Don't lose your screws, or you will be screwed. I hate when that happens. The battery on the Pocket just died. So now I gotta go use this one here to do it. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna go put the fuel pressure gauge on here and see what we got. Like I said, you got your rubber seal underneath it. You just gotta make sure you line up your bolts. Do it by hand first. Get them started before you do anything. Now, when the battery dead, the connector was loose. All right, so we go. We're starting to kick. Yeah. All right. There we go. 40 psi. Success. Oh, she's gonna run like a freaking top now. All right, sweet. Sweet, sweet, sweet. All right, so we're back with the Pocket. Got that in there. Doesn't even get this tight as I wanted it to. Oh, come on. Oh, you're killing me here. Doggone it. Can we get the right socket for the freaking right? 6. Yes. This up a little bit. Okay. Use the 1/4, that didn't work. Use the 7, that didn't work. Okay, you tight. Alright. Which means it has a good, it's got a good regulator. Okay, so you ready, boys and girls? Let's see what she does. I may have to adjust the idle because I was messing with the idle. The foot pedal, the one went back there. So wait and see. Now she has twice the PSI going to that fuel injector. Ah! And enough to run the pump. Good enough to run the pump, but I don't have to crank it, I guess. Yep. Alright, let me get the jumper box. Jesus. Killing me here. Okay, I got the little jumper box on there. My Centec will not stay, will not hold its charge. Alright. What do you guys do? Okay, let's see what we got. Get a good flow of fuel running through there. All I do is pumping it and send it right through the regulator back in the tank. Here we go. Really? Oh. You're killing me. Even my other little one freaking is failing. Nothing's happening. What are you doing? Come on. The jumper box probably weak now. All right, let's go. Get fuel on that fuel injector. Now I got to adjust carburation back down a little bit on the idle because of that. But there we are. So battery's getting ready to go. I'm gonna have to charge that, but should be all ready to go. They'll be ready to rock and roll. So I gotta get my extension, my number 7, and get in there and back the idle off on it now.